Welcome very much, I'm Homegrown Technician and welcome to my show where we deal with an application named the Powder Toy. I will introduce you to the history of how this app was made. Actually, someone made it somewhere at some time and that's everything you need to for now. Today's episode is titled Bovver, Destruction, Devastation, Obstruction for a reason. That's exactly what we are talking about today. So make yourself comfortable, zip up your seatbelt and enjoy. We will learn all functionality of the app on the way, actually part of it that I know. However, just keep an eye on the tools and materials which I use while I'm constructing. I will build one simple scenery and download the rest from the web. I selected titanium from the solids category to close down the never-ending gap worshipped by flat eaters. I've put some sand, some coal, some water and bang bang, the oasis is ready. Now we have ground to work on, so let's keep it moving. Now we take the brick and we build solid ground, so we don't have to walk barefoot on the sand in our factory. Professional factory that produces hydrogen, ground gas, oxygen and diesel, actually wherever you want. All in one building, it's all safe, it's all secure, just how it's supposed to be. Of course, we will save the money just like Christian Koenigsegg, founder of Koenigsegg Company, whom supercars factory in 20s caught fire due to the roof made of straw. We will make all walls, all roof and even the diesel and gas containers made out of wood. We nicely fill the containers and now we consider the way such safe factory can accidentally catch fire. My idea is a terrace on the roof with good old thermite enhanced which burns in 3000 degrees, which means it will be even burned through the roof made of steel. If it was. Okay, the terrace scatters termites and flows the fuse and fires it up. Okay, so we had an internal explosion, now we will make much more powerful external explosion. Press the open icon at the bottom left side of the screen. Now you can search by text on any query for stuff like bunkers, houses, bunkers, underground bases, bunkers and anything that you wish to find there. Once we have such a bunker, we begin constructing the bomb overall bombs. Using scroll on the mice, we create large wood sphere and scale it down, so now using right mouse button, we can leave the empty space inside which we can fill with all sorts of interesting explosive powders, liquids, etc. Now do what do you like. I pour diesel, gunpowder, some coal, some C4 and to fill in the rest of space I use oxygen and hydrogen capable of creating some plasma which heats up to around 9000 degrees. Now we make the spark and the things go scrap. I have no idea for the first scenario. That's why on the left side we will make a furnace burning coal, which will boil water. In the meantime, on the right side we'll melt metals like titan, iron and gold into one alloy. Okay, we'll build furnace construction, chimney construction and the construction of the coal in the burning chamber. After we ignite coal and pour water at the top, it immediately starts boiling. When it comes to our possibilities of melting metals, we have to use professional diamond furnace because it is indestructible and the professional diamond molding form. We put piece of titan, iron and gold in the furnace. Using the hidden tool, we melt them all together and we mix them using the wind creation tool. Now we have to make a mid-size hole in the furnace and enjoy watching our flying cocktail. After the solidifying process, we have an alloy, which depending on level of metal mixture, won't be as solid as titan, surely won't be gold colored as gold itself, and will rust just like iron. Something beautiful. Have a great day and check out the forum link in the description if you want to see more stuff that will blow your mind. Appreciate my work, just subscribe and press the like icon under video. See ya.